To start, I'm going to add the beans to the Ninja, and then I'm going to cover them generously with filtered water. They're going to double in size, so they need lots of water to be able to do that. Okay, now that they're in the Ninja, we're going to turn it on. Use the pressure lid as we're going to pressure cook. So we go pressure cook on high for 30 minutes. And the valve needs to go toward the crisper lid. So make sure your valve is in sealed mode. And off we go. Be careful with the pot as it is very hot. And I use cool water. Filter. Give them a rinse and put them back on.